not receiving verification code. Whether you're trying to log in, sign up, or activate a new device, this issue can be a real headache. But don't worry, we've got several solutions to help you fix it. So let's jump right in. So the first thing you need to do is open Play Store and download your Telegram application. So go to the search bar and type in Telegram and hit install. Now ensure your internet connection is stable. So after installing your Telegram application, open it. Now click on Start Messaging and write your phone number and double check the phone number you've entered. Ensure it's correct and includes the right country code. A simple typo can prevent the code from reaching you. Even after doing this doesn't work for you, the next solution is for you. Go to Settings, open up Apps and Notification, then click on Apps. Now here, find for Telegram. Now after finding Telegram, click on it and click on Storage and clear cache. By doing so, you can simply go on the Telegram app and try it again. If this tutorial helped for you, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.